everyone. So I'm here to do a second look. This one is more inspired by the Queen of Hearts. I'm gonna use the red frost, but I want to use this pink, so it's gonna kind of be a smoky look. Okay, so I use the pink liquid shadow, and I use this eyebrow that I don't like the first one they made, and I don't like this one. The only difference with this is I could get the other one, I could barely get the eyebrow color out, and this one was better, but I really don't like what it does to my eyebrows. The wet side, I guess the the one that manages your brows, I didn't like the one they made earlier, and I don't like this one. All right, I'm gonna start with this like red frosty color right here. For the transition color, I'm gonna use this pretty light pink right there. Put some more of this red in. Use the white as the highlight color. That white really isn't pigmented, but I guess that's okay. I'm gonna dip into this like rose gold glitter right there and go in the inner corner. Just gonna put a tiny bit of black, and I'm just gonna put it like that. Give it a little bit more definition. Just put a little bit, not even a V. Just put a tiny bit over here. I just want to say that these are too sheer. They don't even show the liquid liners, the pink and the white. They're too sheer. You don't really see it. It might leave like a sheer glitter. But anyway, I'm gonna try that in the inner corner when I finish the makeup. So we're gonna try this blush. So I'm just gonna swirl it around. Okay. I already put the highlighter and my bronzer on. Okay. You could probably use this color as a highlighter, and in the bronzer, since I don't use bronzer, I could probably use the lightest color in that palette, cheek palette, for the highlighter if I wanted to. Okay, so I just tried to outline some black on the side to make it stand out a little. This to me is an inspiration of the Queen of Hearts. Makes me think of cards, and cards are red and black, so that's why I wanted to add some black to that. I'm using Plumberry, Wet n Wild lip liner in Plumberry. I'm gonna powder myself first so I could blend out the contour. because I don't want powder to get on the lips. It also helps to blend out the blush. Alright, let's see this really vampy lip color, how it comes out, because that orange red came out coral. Well, let's see how this one turns out. Even with the lip liner, lighten it a little bit with I think this is I Am Not a Weed. Yeah, put that gloss on it. Alright, let's try this pink. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's try it. Yeah, it just adds the tiniest bit of shimmer. Just can't really see anything. I'm gonna try the glitter mascara. I don't like glitter mascara. I've tried it before. I'm just gonna put a little bit on top of that. Give it a little bit more pizzazz in the inner corners. Okay. Again, I gotta hold this far because it will make my face look like a diamond. Okay, smells good. And that's it. So yeah. I've used everything except the rhinestones, which, you know, maybe for Halloween, but I'm going out later, so I usually save those. But yeah, so that's the finished look. These are available everywhere now. They're available at Amazon. These are available at Ulta, but not that I can tell, not the entire collection. Maybe they have a display in store, but I know online they don't carry all 26 pieces, but they do and have been carrying the box, PR box, order only. So Walgreens and CVS and Rite Aid should have it. I know HEB finally got it in. So yeah, that's available, and tomorrow's August 1st. By the end of August, the Fantasy Makers Halloween stuff, and not just from Wet n Wild, but everybody's Halloween stuff will be coming out the end of August. So anyway, so yeah, so that's it, and I will, like I said, I'm slowing down, so don't know when I'll see you again, but it's been like almost 2 weeks, if not a little bit over 2 weeks that I did my last video. So it'll, you know, probably be like that, like 2 weeks that I'll be doing another video. Just depend. Maybe I'll do pictorials. Okay, so that's that. I will see you guys soon. Mwah.